Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Nextbit Floria. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically helps you with your financial market with confidence, then connect with advanced brokers, explore limitless investment opportunities. So as you can see right here, you just log in and then register, and then right here, they claim to give you a creative strategy, a diverse portfolio, educational resources, robust security protocols, and a lot more. So it is facilitating efficient transactions and promoting trading for everyone. So if you're wondering if this is legit, I actually can't find any information about this since it is not that popular, and that should raise a red flag. Since if it is legit and that good, why is it not being talked about more? So yeah. So please, when you're registering for this, please do exercise some caution when entering your information here, since there is not a lot of information about this website. I can't find it anywhere except for this one YouTube video, and they said that Nextbit Floria is also a scam. So this person even asked how to unregister if you have registered on it. So please do exercise some caution entering this website, since it is more likely a scam. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.